Hey, Dan Passarelli here. One of the strategies that I'm known for and we're known for here at Market Taker Mentoring are covered calls. And so let's talk about how do I trade covered calls? What are some things that I should look for? So, a covered call is simply when I own a stock position and I sell a typically out of the money call option against it. So basically, I'm selling someone the right to buy that stock that I own from me typically at a higher strike. And whether they do buy it from me at that higher strike by exercising their call, their long call, or not, I get to keep that premium. So, this is a strategy that's been shown by several white papers and other studies that it can outperform the market while lowering your risk, your standard deviation, over time. So, let's take a look at an example. So, this is an example here. Let's say we own this stock. Maybe we owned it from before and it had a little bit of a pullback, and we think that it's probably not likely over the next 2-3 weeks to go above its established resistance level of $140 a share. Well, here's what we can do. We can go and we can look at the 140 strike calls and we can sell them. Now, if we look at the ones that expire in 3 days, we can only sell them for about 4 cents. We don't really get enough by selling them at that price. If we look at the 10-day ones, well, we can get about 46 cents for those, and that's a little better, but I like to try and collect at least 0.5% of the value of the stock price itself. So maybe we go out to the 17-day options, and we can do pretty well on those. We can get about 0.7% by selling those. We can sell them at about 107. We can definitely sell them at 107, but we can try and middle the market a little bit. Maybe sell them at 110, 115, maybe even 116, 117. And so that is how we construct a covered call. And when we do that, basically we hope for one of two things. We either hope to skate on the call and keep that $1.07 or whatever it was, and then do it again, or maybe sometimes our objective is we hope to get assigned and we hope to sell that stock that we bought at a lower price up at a higher price and just be done with the trade. I hope that helps. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.